Good morning class. Welcome to our maths class. Today's our new topic is combination facts. Let's see. If I write 1 plus 2, then the answer will be 3. It means अगर मान लो मेरे पास यहाँ पे 1 ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, मैंने 2 ऑब्जेक्ट्स उसमें और प्लस कर दिए तो मेरे पास आंसर क्या होगा? 3 होगा. अगर मैं इसको इस तरह से राइट करती हूँ 2 plus 1, then the answer will be also 3. Then the answer will be also 3. Now I have some sticks. I have written some number on it. First take 3 plus 2. अगर मैं 3 में 2 ऐड करती हूँ तो हमारे पास आंसर क्या आता है? 5. Now I change my order. Firstly I write 2. After that I am adding 3. Then the answer is also 5. What we have seen here? We have seen here that if we change the order of numbers, then there will be no change in answer. Means जब हमने 3 में 2 प्लस किया तब भी आंसर हमारा 5 आया. जब हमने 2 और 3 का प्लेस चेंज कर दिया, 3 की प्लेस पे हमने 2 राइट कर दिया, 2 की प्लेस पे 3 कर दिया, तब भी हमारा आंसर 5 आया. इट मीन्स if we change the order of numbers, the answer will not change. Let's do combination of some numbers. Here we make the combination of 1. Means हम 1 को किस तरह से बना सकते हैं? Suppose I have 1 lid. If I add nothing in this space, the answer will be 1. You can write here 0 also. If we write 0 and if we add 1 lid here, the answer will be same. Here we have learned that if we add in 1 0, the answer will be 1, and if we add 0 in 1, then also the answer will be 1. Now do the combination of 2. See the combination. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. It means I have put 2 objects here and add nothing. The answer will be 2. Next, I write 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. It means here I have nothing to write, so I put 0 here and add 2 more objects. Then the answer will be 2. If I add 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, means I have 1 object. If I add 1 more, then the answer will be 2. In today's class, we have learned that how we can make the numbers. We can make the numbers by the adding 2 numbers also, or adding by 0 also. If we add nothing in the number, we will get the same answer. बेटा अगर हमारे पास कोई नंबर है उसमें हम कुछ भी ऐड नहीं करते, देन हमारे पास जो आंसर आता है वो सेम आता है. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you.